आशा बता, आप कितने ख्वाबों की परिंदे हो?
यार मैं सच बताऊं तो मैं हमेशा ख्वाबों में ही रहती हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं खुद में एक परिंदा हूँ बिकॉज आई एम somebody who loves being free in life. Like I feel nobody can cage me and I don't want to be caged ever. Like when I was back in Dehradun, I wanted to come here. I wanted to I wanted to do my own thing. I wanted to be a part of the industry and कोई नहीं रोक पाया तभी मुझे. Being from middle class family, like parents were a little, skeptical about sending me to Bombay. So I think ख्वाबों में तो most of the time रहती हूँ, and that's why my friends also call me that I'm most of the time zoned out in life. तो उस तरीके से कहा जाए तो काफी ज्यादा ख्वाबों की परिंदा हूँ मैं.
And I totally get that. And as we've also been talking now, we're like very similar in the sense like अपना space,
हाँ,
you
स्पेस
know,
मिलना
जब
नहीं किसी से.
लोगों से तभी मिलना जब जरूरी हो.
सब जरूरी है
इंडस्ट्री में कैसे सर्वाइव कर रही हो यार फिर?
यार.
बताओ
आई
मुझे.
थिंक आई एम सर्वाइविंग बिकॉज सब अब दोस्त तो स्पेशली सब समझ ही गए हैं. एंड जो इंडस्ट्री की पार्टीज होती है आई एम नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ गोइंग. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन इट्स लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई हैव टू गो, ठीक है, अपने आप को हिम्मत बांध के मैं रेडी होती हूँ और चली जाती हूँ. बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक फ्रेंड्स की बात करें तो सब समझते हैं अब मेरा स्पेस. इट्स मतलब वहां तक आ चुकी है बात. And even if like one day I am partying or there's a get together with a lot of people, then uske baad I need like straight 10 days ka gap. I need to like recharge myself.
Totally get it. So we are actually living our life, na? The kind of life we want.
Quarantine is like our life.
Totally get that. But I envied you, yeah, from Melbourne to Perth, road trip, and to get paid for it also.
Imagine, like just imagine. And it was like one of our experience because it didn't feel like shoot because it felt like actually we four are on a road trip. We had got our own car. We were staying in hostels, motels, and we were like craving for Indian food. And we went to places, all outskirt places, jahan pe like there were hardly people available. So it was great fun, and it was like with the characters, like the characters are finding themselves in this journey. And I think we as people also, like we really found ourselves. We really it changed us. This trip really changed us by the end
So
of it.
after that intense Gauravi, which we last spoke about, now we are talking about this. Was this like time to let loose, enjoy myself, embrace everything?
Yeah. So yes, Gauravi, when I was playing, तो बहुत ही ऐसे ठहराव वाला कैरेक्टर था, and I had to look all समझदार and responsible, which is not me. But when it comes to playing Bindiya, this character, I think it is a lot like me, and I was a wild child. I mean, I am a wild child in life also, like a bit like Bindiya. And Bindiya, the character is a wild child, and अपने मन की करती है, moments में जीती है. So yeah, it was so much fun.
तो एक बात बताओ, गौरवी, बिंदिया, सोनम और अपेक्षा साथ मिले तो क्या होगा? रोड ट्रिप पे जाए.
Oh God, I think गौरवी विद्या सुनो. हाँ, पता नहीं क्या होगा, बट आई थिंक अगर आशा से पूछो ना तो आशा किसके साथ जाना चाहती है. आई वुड से बिंदिया वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन फॉर अ ट्रैवल यार, फॉर अ ट्रिप. अगर कोई बड़ी बहन चाहिए जिससे जो जो थोड़ा समझदार सी है, जिससे तुम लाइक अ लाइफ लॉन्ग एल्डर सिस्टर, तो आई थिंक गौरवी. So yeah.
चलो, तो प्लान हो रहा है रोड ट्रिप. बट travel for people like us, if somewhere we find freedom in it, it tends to. So was that one of the reasons you said yes to this particular thing?
Sorry.
Was that one of the reasons that we wanted to say yes? Because it's not, इतना road trip हम नहीं देखते हैं.
True, that was one reason, a very important reason, because I love traveling, and this show was to be like shot in Australia, and then the character was very different from what I've done before, and the story is so nice. I mean, the friends are helping each other find themselves, and you yourself are finding, I mean, yourself in this trip. Also, the entire show has been shot in a very real, very natural way, like how it actually happens. Plus, there is a lot of fun in it, lot of deep moments, like how two friends would sit and have like a deep talk. So yeah, I mean, there was no reason I would have said no for, for the show.
You once made a very interesting statement saying, now I have finally found myself as an actor. I'm okay to take those risks. I'm okay to do things which I earlier thought I wouldn't do. So how is that panning out?
It is planning out very well. It's a little slow, I would say, but then it is happening because I feel there are moments in life when you are a little lost, you don't know what to prioritize, what not to. But at this point, I feel I'm pretty clear about my future projects, my career, like what I want to do, what I don't want to do. And I just want to like do good work now, good projects I want to be a part of.
And what kind of roles do you want to really want that people should come to you with, that you want to be part of the kind of narrative?
Or anything that challenges my inner actor, I would love to do. Matlab, I want to do something which is more real and how life is, how people are, not all goody goody. There should be flaws in the character, and like I really want to like push myself as an actor. I really want to do that.
अब वो तो हो रहा है, बट वो आपके साथ इमेज भी जो जुड़ी हुई है ना, अच्छी थी, सारी खुशी लड़की, आप उसको कैसे ब्रेक करें?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. Like, it's happening. It's happening in a very slow pace, but it is happening. Like, of course, वो इतने सालों की इमेज बनी हुई है, उसको एकदम से तोड़ना मुश्किल है. But I'm doing my every bit. I'm picking up roles that are very different from that, and yeah, I mean, and I can see it happening. Like I'm getting like roles that are different from what I have done before. So I feel it is happening.
तो आपके किसी फैन ने लिखा है, पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, secret to last in the industry for 12 years.
I would say patience and faith, because there have been moments, there have been phases that were not very good, not very successful, and I would say like a sort of failure phases I have seen and I have experienced. But then the secret is to have patience, to have faith, and to not give up. Like अगर होता तो मैं वापस चली जाती उसके बाद during that phase. But then in fact, I use that time to work on myself as a person, as an actor. And now I am, because I use that time, I utilize that time. Now I feel that I've become like a better person, like a better actor. So I would say, yeah, patience and not lose hope.
So पवित्र रिश्ता से आज ख्वाबों के परिंदे तक, what would Asha today want to tell the girl who starred, who made her beginning? If there was something that you could tell her?
I would tell her that, girl, just do some preparation for it, because when I had come to Bombay, I'm telling you, literally, when I had come to Bombay, I had no experience. Matlab, I didn't do any workshop, no theater, nothing. बस confidence लेके आ गई थी.
वही तो चाहिए.
एक्टर बनना है और हो जाएगा ये. But I feel अगर फिर भी थोड़ा experience through my workshops I would have taken, it would have been much better, I feel. Because what I've learned is only through experience, but I feel थोड़ा सा prep करके आती तो it would have been better. But yeah, it's okay.
But आजकल what the great thing is also with OTT, like you have both originals happening, वो lines blur हो गई हैं. पहले because a lot of your from the TV stars have said कि वो फिल्मों वाले हमको बोलेंगे ये TV star है, मगर अब सब star है, सब actor है.
Exactly. No, I was talking about it yesterday that, OTT there is no TV actor or film actor. You are all actors. And that's the best part. And if you are doing a great job now, you are being recognized for it. You are getting all the appreciation for the good work that you're doing. And that's such a beautiful thing. I mean, and it's such a beautiful bridge now, this OTT between films and television, that television actors भी कर रहे हैं, film actors भी कर रहे हैं. There's no film actor or television actor happening यहाँ पे. And you're just doing good work. And abhi to I would say OTT has been a savior during the pandemic.
Totally. And guess what, film actors ज़्यादा OTT कर रहे हैं.
I know. कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं है क्या होगा, कब खुलेंगे थिएटर्स, राइट?
सब OTT पे. एंड किसी ने ये पूछा है पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 एंड बारिश का दूसरा सीजन कब आ रहा है?
बारिश का तो यार आई थिंक विद मी एंड शर्मन आई थिंक दैट्स अबाउट इट, बिकॉज अगर और स्टोरी को खींचेंगे हम तो फिर वो वही डेली सोप बन जाएगा, आई फील. बट या, इट हैड अ हैप्पी एंडिंग इन द लाइक लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ सीजन 2, एंड आई फील दैट्स अबाउट इट. लाइक पीपल शुड रिमेम्बर इट लाइक दैट. एंड या, आई मीन, आई आल्सो वांट.
देखते हैं पवित्र रिश्ता का क्या होता है. बट किसी ने पूछा आपकी बेस्ट एडवेंचर सिंस यू बीन ऑन एन एडवेंचर रोड ट्रिप, आपकी कौन सी रही है लाइफ में?
Yeah, so many. Matlab, I keep on going to the mountains because I love mountains, and whenever I go, I think there was this one trip where I went alone to Himachal, and I met a lot of strangers over there, and I happened to interact a lot with them. So that was really nice. You know, I met a bunch of girls who went with me to do paragliding, and then I met this auntie who had a pizzeria cafe. So I think that was one trip. So I feel every trip changes me, changes you, changes anybody. So yeah, traveling.
I totally get that. किसी ने ये पूछा है एक सवाल that you wish people would stop asking you.
How are things between you and Ritvik now? Yeah. I know.
The best rumor that you've heard about yourself and you wish it were true.
Recent one, yeah, that I am dating Arjit, my friend Arjit Taneja, that I'm dating him. But yeah, I wish it was true because he's such a good-looking guy, and why not? But then he's a friend now. अभी वो friendship का level है ना कि like you know एक दूसरे पे चलना वो वाला scene है, तो that can't happen.
तो हम एक और rumor float कर देते हैं, कोई हॉलीवुड स्टार का सोचते हैं जिसके साथ आप काम करना चाहते हैं, float कर देते हैं.
He's married.
Let's float a rumor. Asha Negi and Ryan Gosling to star in a new film.
Yeah, let's do that. Come on.
But this has really been awesome. Thank you so much for chatting with me, Asha. All the very best to you.
Thank you so much. It was so nice chatting with you.
Same here. Likewise. And hope to meet you in person soon.
Yes, soon, hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.